if you intend to buy a house, you have the plan, okay, layout, okay, floor layout, okay. The diagram shows the plan of a bungalow drawn in the scale of 1 to 150. Okay, so you need to find out the actual area in cm meter for the room A. Okay, room A is 1.6. Okay, 1.66. So you need to find out the actual length of the 1.6. Okay, that's it. We are going to find out the, okay, to find out the actual. This one is a drawing only. Okay, 1/1/, then we go for this one is later on bedtime is so, okay, so 1/, what, 1.6, okay, 1.6 sorry, 1.6 over what, the this one is a weight of the width of the room A. Room A, room A. Okay, wait for the room A is the scale is given is 1 to 150. Okay, so we are going to find out the okay, now cross multiply 1.6 or 1.6 is equal times 150. Okay, equal to what? Equal to the width of the room A. Okay, so after that you are going to find out the room A. What is the width of the room A now? Okay, room A is to be, what answer you need use a calculator. Okay, use a calculator. 1.6 times 150. Okay, 240. 240 is to be in centimeter. Okay, this one is centimeter. The question is going to asking you to find out the actual area in meter square. So you need to convert to meter. That is meaning 2.4 meter actually, okay. So the next one is 2.4 for the length of the length for the what is the length of the room A. 2.4, okay, divide by what, the length of the room A. Okay, so basically we get the scale is a 1 to 150. So that means we are going to get this 2.4 is times 150 equal to what, the length of the room A. So we are going to find the length of the room A is to be, okay, that is meaning we get the answer here, 2.4 times 150, 360. Okay, 360. So the question is actual area of room A is to be, what is the answer? Room A 2.4, okay, times 3.6. This one you need to, this one is centimeter. You be careful. The question is asking for meter square. Okay, so after that you are going to find out 3.6 times 2.4, 8.64. Okay, 8.64 meter square. Okay, that is meaning the question is asking for this one. Question number B, number 2. The cost of installing carpets in the entire floor of the room A is cost of installing room A, if the cost of installing is 48 per meter square. So easy lah, huh? Okay, so 1 meter square cost 48 ringgit only. So cheap, huh? So cheap. Okay, 1 meter square only 48 ringgit only. The lawyer carpet, huh? Okay, that's meaning the cost, okay, the installing cost, install only, no, the installing cost is to be 6.6 8.64. Okay, okay, 8.64 times what, times which one, 48 ringgit. Okay, now we are going to find out the cost is to be, what is the answer? Okay, times 48 ringgit. That's meaning for what is the answer? RM 414.72. Okay, 72 cent, 415 ringgit 72 cent. Oh, can less one student left already. Okay,